Hello.
Good.
Welcome to Bethesda Prayer House, Peren, Nagaland. Bethesda Prayer House is known as a place of Christian worship and prayer, where believers gather to worship, pray, study the Bible, and support one another spiritually. It is rooted in New Testament teachings and fellowship. The name Bethesda itself has spiritual meaning in Christianity. It refers to the pool of Bethesda in John 5 of the Bible, a place where the sick and needy were healed, symbolizing God's healing, mercy, and restoration. This is a general Christian reference, not specific to the Jalukie location. The prayer house typically serves as a community spiritual center, where people come together for worship services, often on Sundays, and prayer meetings during the week. Many Bethesda prayer houses, in different locations, emphasize prayer, spiritual growth, Bible teaching, and encouragement in faith. Although specific documented information about the Bethesda Prayer House in Jalukie, Peren, isn't readily available online, such houses are often centers of spiritual encouragement and community support in the region, especially in predominantly Christian Nagaland, where churches play a major role in daily life.